Hey guys, Kapper here, March 3rd, 2021, back at the Picker Paradise, and we're going to try and get some stuff done today. Let me show you what we're going to try to do. By the way, it's supposed to be 66 today, so let's get going. So here's the starting point. Looks like the boys have been out here working on some mobile home frame back there. Hopefully we can sneak through here, otherwise I got to move their trailer a little bit. Let me show you what our quote plan is for today. So up in the front we got some leftover railroad ties. So I'm going to try to get the excavator up and start either hauling them back or stack them, and then we'll put the grapple on the skid steer. And we're going to try to make a little bridge here to get back to that mobile home. I'm pretty sure we have enough railroad ties, and if we don't, we got plenty of trees we can start cutting up with the chainsaw. So my first mission is going to be to get the excavator back over here. I'll start it and let it warm up. I mean, I might start cutting a few of these trees, but the problem is I'm on the other side of that ditch. So I may end up having to yank or cut down a couple trees over there to get me back over to this side. And then we'll build our way across this way with railroad ties and trees, just to try and make a temporary path across this ditch. We'll see how this is going to go. So in looking at this ditch, it's a little bit higher up here, and I mean it's steep right here, but I mean I got a little more experience than Curtis, so I think I can just walk it right across there and not waste any time cutting stuff right now and start hauling railroad ties over here. Oh, weeds. Fires right up. All right, we'll see how this goes. I don't have a GoPro yet, it's in the truck. I actually got to march it over some of these branches here to keep all the way on this side. Wow, that stuff is slick. All this stuff right here, I could barely even go on almost flat ground because this is all just hideous. Well, let's keep going. Oh, I see. They're gonna drive this one out. Looks like they got the tires aired up and ready to roll. Nice. Resourceful. Curtis parked the skid steer right in my way. Yeah, I know you're cold. Let's go, get moving. So I gotta move this out of the way because I don't know what time he's gonna be here. But he is bringing me breakfast. He owes me a bunch of them now after getting stuck. That should be enough room right there. All right, my plan is I'm going to try to stack them like 4 at a time in front of my blade and just try to haul 4 over, maybe 5 or 6, but we'll see how it goes. Right. slow for me. So I am going to move some of this pile right here, and I'm going to go right across here where I came, where it's a lot higher. I'll restack these logs. We're going to cut these. If Curtis ain't here shortly, I'm going to just cut these with the chainsaw. Or I could even start laying some of them down in there. Like this one. That way we got logs a lot closer. See, this needs to be cut because I can't get it out. Alright. Let's go get the saw. Dry dirt from that side, kind of fill this in. The only problem, what would be nice, is all these logs here, it's all intertwined, you know, and all the tops of the trees. And this dirt here I could probably scab a little bit of dry dirt from here. Dry is a relative term right now. Fill in them holes down there. Now let's see how this feels. Not too bad. Not too bad. Railroad ties in here, a little bit of dirt, something might actually happen. Check back in. Reason I wanted to make this road here was because it was a straight shot, and I thought there was at least a chance we could actually drag that thing up to the front. So that's why we agreed to pick this spot, because it's a straight shot right in with no turns.